We'll guide you through how to make a group chat on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to do as it means you can have multiple people in one chat, you can all talk together, and you can go and send messages and multiple people can see it at once. It's just overall really useful. So what you need to do is go and open up the Messages app like so. Then all you need to do is head to the top right. You need to click on the new message button. It looks like a piece of paper with a pen on. As you can see, new message at the top. Now what you need to do is type in the people you want to add. So I'm going to go and start typing them in now. Then you can click on them. And then what you can do is you can start typing in someone else. So I'll go and type in another user, as you can see, or contact, I should say, or number or email. And then what you can do is go and click on iMessage in the text box, and you can then type in what you want it to go and say, like so, and it will then go and be sent. Click on the contact icons and where it says people at the top. And what you can then do is click on change name and photo, and you can go and customize it. As you can see, I can name it guide, and I can then go and choose an icon as well. There are loads to go and choose from. Once you're finished, you can then click on assign to group, and I'll press on done in the top right, press done again, and there we go.